we're already starting off with the wheelie. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, that left leg. That left leg underneath the bike. I wonder if we got any road rash here. Oh, there's our buddy. There's our buddy off to the right. Can't see it on the vertical video. We are recording this portrait and landscape. But yeah, the buddy on the right has a phone or something in his hand recording. So he's not fully prepared either with his hands on the handlebars. The guy lands it. Middle lane, turn right, and they collide. So the guy on the left crashes. The guy on the right kept it up. Okay, that works.
Yeah, I'm straight.
You're straight. Grab yourself your shoe and get yourself out of there. Okay. Check for injuries later. Get yourself, remain calm, ensure your own safety.
Hey, I ain't get hurt at all.
All right, here we go. Green light. Let's go. Moving through. Got a GoPro on the front and on the side of our head. Side of the vehicle. Looks like with a trailer. Moving to the left. They switched far left. We did a great job with the adjustment. Yeah, I get it. I get it. You do your thing, but I care about you getting to safety. That's my biggest thing here. So we have the side of the vehicle already popping up, okay? We have the side of the vehicle right there. So we're coming out. This person's going to come out. So we already thinking that they're going to take the first available lane. So we're switching over to here. That's why we passed here, but then we noticed that they crossed. So he got a little bit jostled because we applied some progressive braking, as best as we possibly could. And sees this, we have to make a new adjustment. We can't swerve left because they're going to take this whole lane, so we're going to switch back. Okay? So handled it well. Handled it well. You guys, a lot of people think that this is just common, like that people should just know how to do all these things, and because you're probably a good rider. Okay? You're probably a good rider. Like, oh man, this is nothing. What's the problem? Remember, we have a lot of people coming into this motorcycle hobby, passion, whatever you want to call it. And they see videos like this, and then they realize they can just get pissed, or they can, fight for lanes and all these different things. The goal here is to show what we should be doing, and so that none of this is really a big issue. Okay, we don't want these things to be big issues. We want our skills to be the big issues. We don't want to focus on the negative. Let's focus on the parking lot stuff. Let's focus in the, doing the Smart Rider drills. We have, like I said, many times we have the drills. We have cones that come with it if you want to get the cones, or you can just get the booklet. Lots and lots of drills inside here. So make sure you guys grab one. There's links in the description for all of that. It's on the store, and there's a digital version. So if you're international, you could just get the digital version if you really want to. And all of these come with the phone version and the digital version. The phone version is pretty cool. Put it on the handlebars on your quad lock, and you can practice right there. Right lane splits into 2 turn lanes. Okay, we're switching right. No, we're in the turn lane. Very good. Watch out for this white vehicle to the right because they're stuck behind a FedEx vehicle. I know you guys on the vertical video can't see it. There it is. Because he's got the camera on his left side. So that's just going to be a common thing. People do not want to be stuck behind slow vehicles. If there's an open lane, at this point, there's an open lane, okay? You see that? Assume somebody's going to come in, okay? Assume somebody's going to come in.
What the?
It is what it is.
God damn you, lady! Ah!
All right. One Prince Slow. Prince Low. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's raining. We're passing on the right. Where are we? Oh, his hands are probably hurt. Where are we? Okay, so we're not in America. Passing on the right might be the thing. This is kind of like, I guess, passing on the left in America. Got to watch out for intersections, guys. We're in a neighborhood area, at least that's what it looks like. It's like a little bit of a small artery of traffic. So we should be in orange stage. We're prepped and ready for these types of things. Remember, we're planning our ride, position for safety. This is kind of a weird position. I don't like lane filtering or splitting unless I need to. If I'm flowing, I don't care. Locate hazard situation. This is one. Assess and navigate. So this is going to come up real quick. We're going pretty fast here. You see a lot of school kids or something. So there's a lot of reasons for us to be in orange stage. We have the indicator. We should apply some brakes now. We did not perceive and react quick enough. And this is also just, this is going to be something that can happen when you're riding. And this is why we wear full gear. And thankfully, this rider has full gear on. So hopefully it mitigated any injuries that this rider could have had. So good job with the gear. Let's work on the the SM part. We have the A. All right, Montana filtering law. Okay, lane filtering motorcycles and operated two-wheel may engage. Okay, so two-wheeled motorcycle on the road. Okay, with lanes wide enough, is not operated at a speed in excess of 20 miles an hour when overtaking the stop. So you can't go over 20. Conditions need to be permitted. Continue reasonable, prudent operation. Okay, as using this section, lane filter means the act of overtaking and passing another vehicle that is stopped or traveling at a speed not in excess of 10 miles an hour in the same direction. So basically, the max speed that you could be doing is 30. At least that's what I'm assuming. So the vehicle could either be stopped up to 10, and then you can only go up to 20 miles an hour faster. So let's see what happens.
Speed very carefully in above.
Looks like we're doing it.
With regulations. Nevertheless, he encountered aggressive drivers who decided to express their discontent.
So they pretty much, we're going pretty fast here. Okay, we did good on the switch. Okay, traffic slows and I begin to filter. Flooring guy didn't like that. He obviously crossed the white lines to stop me as the lanes were full. Okay, just watch. So we're going about 10. Okay, now we're like stopped. Well, slow-mo, but we're kind of stopped. We're doing good. We can go up to 20 now. Whoa, dude. Blocking him in. Okay, so arguing. I don't really care about the arguing. Say hi to YouTube. Okay, I don't really care about arguing. The rider is in the right. Now, I get it. The guy like made a threatening response with his vehicle, which is dangerous for us, right? Okay. So there's his number if you want to call him up and see if you can get any type of flooring done in your place. Let's see. Creeping it. Let's see. Okay. Let's move on. Yeah, let's just move on. So we have another person doing it. So this is something that has happened to me in Arizona. We just passed the lane filtering law, and some people get pissed. Like, they get pissed because they just don't know the law, or they're having a bad day, or they don't know the law, so they're being a Karen. Or they're having a bad day and they just want to make somebody else's day bad too, and this is a great opportunity to make our day bad. Like, I don't understand that. What's up with these guys in really crappy beards messing up people when they're lane filtering? You know what I mean? I think an inadequacy of the beard. Yeah. Oh, she is so embarrassed. She's rolling up her. She's so embarrassed. He probably rolled down the window, and she's like, "Oh my gosh, he's doing it again." I'm so embarrassed. She tried to roll it up because his hands are not on the door to roll it up. You did right, MT Goozy. All right, Grom Squatch. Haven't seen you in a while. I love the flannel gloves, by the way. Okay. Nice, easy drive. What's happening here? There's a neighborhood. Oh, we got a doggo. Go. Dogs I don't know what it is about two wheels or things moving fast. And I don't understand owners not keeping their dogs in their yard. Just letting them run. It's not that like, hey, I should be able to do what I want. It's like you're putting your dog at a very high risk of getting injured. And if we're in the woods like this, who knows? I mean, a cougar or just getting screwed up by a coyote, at least in Arizona. I mean, especially a pug. They look like a pug.
Coming at me.
It's not going to do anything. It's going to have trouble breathing. The Swedish pancake maker. All right, here we go. So they're switching lanes too. Okay. We can swerve left if we need to. Whoa, we have a cop. Whoa, I didn't see that. I was looking at the cop. Look at the vehicle. Headlights in our lane. Not good. Let's take a look at this. Why did that vehicle switch over? Because that other vehicle is in their lane.